After 5 years, I finally decided to upgrade my gaming chair, and I didn't realize how long I've been enduring the pain points from my old gaming chair. I'll explain it to you later, but yeah, I decided to get the top of the line TTRacing Maxx gaming chair for a few reasons. So let's get into it. As always, honest disclaimer, this video is not paid, but TTRacing Philippines sent us a review sample for me to experience. And for full transparency, I also get to keep it for my setup. But they will not see this video or even my script prior to release, and rest assured that I'll share with you my honest thoughts. Now, before I share with you the things that I like and don't like about the TTRacing Maxx, here's a quick unboxing and assembly montage. Alright, first, let's talk about the build quality. The variant that I have here is the TTRacing Maxx Airthreads variant, which features a combination of fabric and velour. The build quality is outstanding and comparable to my older, more expensive under-seat gaming chair. The components and materials used look and feel quite premium with solid metal construction partnered with high-quality cold cure foam. This means it is dense enough to provide support and comfort while also maintaining its shape longer compared to standard foam. The wheelbase is made out of solid aluminum alloy with rust and corrosion protection. This is very important and significantly better than nylon wheelbases, especially if you're on the heavier side. Now, the 65mm caster wheels are made out of durable plastic with a push-down locking mechanism, which might be useful for some, and it's also fairly easy to move around, though could have been smoother for my preference. Now, the hydraulic lifter is a heavy-duty Class 4 SGS certified, and this is actually the highest durability and safety rating for a gaming chair's hydraulic system that can support a heavier weight up to 200 kilograms. The fabric upholstery is also top-notch with premium quality stitching, soft and comfortable texture, partnered with a very satisfying velour fabric around the sides and back. And to top it all off, it also comes with the memory foam lumbar and neck pillows covered with the same satisfying velour fabric. Though honestly, I feel like the lumbar pillow could have been larger for better comfort and back support. And if you're short like me, who is just around 5'2", the neck pillow is pretty much useless since we have a very limited adjustment option. Now, when it comes to comfort, I cannot say enough good things about this gaming chair. One of the pain points that I had from my old under-seat gaming chair is the hard side support that hurt my thighs when I sit in a cross-leg position. So with the wide and open-ended seat base on the TTRacing Maxx, I can sit in whatever position I want comfortably. I can sit with my legs open, cross-legged, or whatever I see fit depending on my mood. Another pain point is the lower maximum height on my under-seat gaming chair, which is one of the main reasons why I had to sit in a cross-legged position in the first place, since my desk is quite tall for my height. I'm also not missing out on all the features of my old under-seat gaming chair because they are pretty much identical in terms of features, albeit the under-seat is noticeably larger, which also has its own pros and cons. But I'm okay with the smaller size of the TTRacing Maxx. It still provides that comfort and the same features while maintaining a smaller footprint here in my fairly small studio. Now, speaking of features, aside from the things that I've already mentioned, the TTRacing Maxx also features a PU-coated 4D adjustable armrest, which gives me the versatility to adjust and fine-tune everything for maximum comfort. It can also tilt up to 120 degrees with an easy-to-adjust locking mechanism, and of course, it can also recline all the way to 155 degrees if you want to chill out and relax for a bit. Overall, to conclude, I like the wide open-ended seat base, the 4D armrest, the adjustable tilt angle and recline, the memory foam neck and lumbar pillows with velour fabric, and the overall comfort and ease of use. On the other hand, I wish the lumbar pillow were a little bit larger. I wish there were more adjustments for the neck pillow, and the caster wheels were a little bit smoother. And while the fabric is definitely more comfortable and breathable than leather, keeping it clean and tidy is probably going to be a challenge. But I have no regrets. This is definitely one of the most comfortable gaming chairs that I've had so far. By the way, this is not paid, but I also want to feature a few items that Urbanize sent us for the holidays, and maybe you can consider this as a gift idea. One of the brands that Urbanize offers is U-Elements. First up, the Equip Backpack. It's spacious, durable, and designed with multiple compartments to keep your essentials neatly arranged and secured. Next, we have the Elite Scott Crossbody. It's sleek, compact, and comfortable with a good amount of padding. Perfect for quick trips or for everyday carry. Moving on, we also have the Equip TechBroll laptop bag. It has smart compartments, padded protection, and a clean design that makes it ideal for professionals on the move. And finally, my personal favorite, the Elite Ford hand carry luggage. It's elegant, premium, and designed with a front opening system for quick access. It's the kind of luggage that elevates your travel experience. So yeah, from backpacks to crossbodies to tech sleeves and premium luggage, U-Elements delivers gear that's practical, stylish, and ready for the grind. So if you're looking for something to gift yourself or a loved one this coming holiday, check out U-Elements from urbanize.com.ph. By the way, please consider watching my setup tour video if you haven't already. Thank you. And there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching. Huge thanks to TTRacing Philippines for sending this in. This is actually the perfect time to grab one because of the holiday season sale. Thank you as well to Urbanize for sending over some of their high-quality U-Elements bags. Go ahead and check all the links below. Thank you for watching, subscribe if you appreciate this video, and see you next time. Have a great day, guys. You're awesome.